What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 920 in the Year of the Ox colorway. This limited special edition release from New Balance celebrates the upcoming Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year with the Year of the Ox. So I didn't hear too much about this release, I didn't really see too many stores carry it even. And here in Canada, of all the stores that normally carry New Balance, I believe Capsule was the only store that released them. So this pair retails for $230 US or $320 here in Canada, and the style code for this shoe is M920YOX. So relatively speaking, the New Balance 920 is a brand new silhouette, and I reviewed the OG colorway last year, so I'll link that video down below. This pair, however, because it's celebrating Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year, it's covered for the most part in this bold red color. So starting things off with the toe box, this is covered in this very lightweight mesh material. Overlaid on top, we have this thin hit of reflective 3M, and then covering the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this very rich red suede. Next to this, we have this black colored nubuck, and there's this boomerang shaped cutout with this gold reflective 3M underneath. On the mid panel of both sides of the shoe, here we have this red colored nubuck, and stitched on top we have the New Balance N logo, which is done in this gold reflective finish. We have more red nubuck covering the bottom portion of the mid panel, and we have red suede covering the eyelets, and then moving further down we have black nubuck along with a small hit of red mesh. Overlaid on top of the back heel we have that red colored suede once again, and on the lateral side only we have 920 embroidered in gold. At the very top of the back heel we have this hit of black nubuck along with the New Balance logo embroidered in gold. Surrounding the bottom of the back heel to give you added structure and stability, we have this black colored TPU heel clip, and within it we have New Balance branding found in the center. So the laces on this pair is a flat red colored lace, and unfortunately there is no secondary lace option. And then underneath this we have the tongue, which is constructed out of red mesh on the bottom half, and then it's covered with this black colored nubuck on the top half, and we have New Balance made in England embroidered in gold. On the interior side of the tongue, so this is lined in this black colored textile. And then one of my favorite parts about this shoe, you'll see here there's this Chinese New Year inspired graphic, which is represented by the letters C and Y. We have the Chinese character for the word ox, along with this black colored ox graphic. The insoles on the shoe are also given the Chinese New Year touch, so these are an Ortholite branded insole. However, they're completely done in black, except for the heel where we have New Balance, Chinese New Year, and the Chinese character for ox stamped on in this metallic gold finish. A small Easter egg I noticed when I was pulling up the insole, underneath the insole New Balance threw in this fortune cookie inspired fortune, which was a very small but a very appreciated add-on. So the upper of the New Balance 920 sits atop this midsole, which is taken from the 900 V3. The foam on the midsole is left in white on the forefoot, and it's painted in this gray color on the back heel. And encapsulated within the midsole, we have New Balance's end cap technology, which is basically a stiffer polyurethane rim, which incorporates a softer EVA foam in the middle, which gives you that good balance between softness and support. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is for the most part constructed out of this black colored rubber. We have this diamond shaped traction pattern on the forefoot, these flex grooves on the forefoot to give you added mobility, and in the middle we have this carbon fiber shank plate as well to give you added torsional rigidity and midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these New Balance 920s. For those wondering how these fit, overall I'd say that they do run true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I wear between a 9.5 or a 10 in my New Balance shoes. So for models like the 998, some of my 990 V5s, the 992 and the 993, I opt to go a half size down to a 9.5, but in comparison, I stick true to size with models like the 997, the 1500, the 1530, and these guys, the 920. Moving on to the topic of comfort, overall I feel like the 920 is a very comfortable shoe. First off, it's a very lightweight shoe. By incorporating these mesh panels, this means this is going to be a breathable shoe, but also a lightweight shoe as well. And the cushioning in the midsole, to me at least, gives me a good squishiness and softness on the forefoot, while still retaining the support and the rigidity on the back heel that I need. Finally, in terms of the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, so this is a made in England or made in UK pair. So from a material standpoint, I was very happy with this. The suedes especially felt very soft and very premium, and all in all, the shoe just felt very well put together. However, the price point of this shoe, which is 320 Canadian dollars, I'll be honest, it's very high. New Balance shoes in general are a bit more on the higher end of things, and I'm totally fine with paying the $260, $270 or whatever they normally are for the made in US pairs, but I feel like $320 for this specific pair, it's a little bit high considering there's no special box, there's no extra laces or anything like that. With all that being said, now let's lace up these Year of the Ox New Balance 920s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Price point aside, I think that New Balance did a really good job in celebrating the upcoming Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year. If you're a person that likes red shoes, then you'll probably appreciate this pair. And I think the execution and the quality of the materials were definitely on point. With that said though, the 920, I don't think it's the most popular New Balance model out there. This is still a brand new silhouette, so I feel like people are gonna warm up to it eventually. And there's also the issue of price, which again, at 320 Canadian dollars is just simply too high. That's just my opinion though. Let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this Year of the Ox New Balance 920. If you guys don't even consider the price, how do you guys feel about this specific shoe? Are you feeling this red and gold vibe? Are you a fan or not a fan of the 920 silhouette? Leave a comment down below. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.